Hey, in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change your language on Rednote. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the Rednote app on your phone. After you do this, it's quite easy to change out your language. Go ahead and click on the three lines on the top left-hand side of your screen and go to Settings on the bottom left-hand corner. After you do that, you can see General Settings. Under General Settings is Languages on the top. Go ahead and tap on Languages, and as you can see, there are 3 languages currently available. So you can select Chinese and Mandarin over now. And the default language is obviously English, as the region has been selected to English. So if you want to select the language, just go ahead and tap on it and then tap Save. After you tap Save, the app will restart itself, and as you can see, the language has been changed. Wondering how you can revert it back to English? Quite simple. Click on the 3 lines, click on Settings, and click on the gear icon, which is the General Settings. Then tap on the first one, and you can see the language English. Go ahead and tap on English and click on Save. And there you go. This is how easy it is to change the language on the Rednote app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.